Welcome back to our channel, where we keep you informed about the latest developments in tax-related matters. Today, we'll be shedding light on the Employee Retention Credit, ERC, for the year 2023. We'll answer your burning questions about its availability, eligibility criteria, duration, and the all-important deadline you need to be aware of. So, let's dive in. Chapter 1. Is ERC still available in 2023? The ERC has been a lifeline for businesses in challenging times, and many have benefited from it over the years. But you might be wondering if it's still available in 2023. The good news is that, yes, the ERC is still available. The IRS recognizes the ongoing impact of economic challenges and has extended this credit to eligible businesses in 2023. So, if you thought you missed out on this opportunity, think again. Chapter 2. How do you qualify for ERC 2023? Qualifying for the ERC in 2023 doesn't need to be difficult and more or less comes down to proving revenue loss as a result of restrictions that were imposed on businesses during the pandemic. To qualify, your business does need to meet specific requirements related to revenue declines, government restrictions, and other factors. But there are a lot of gray areas that allow many businesses to qualify when they didn't think they were eligible. For example, most businesses, accountants and ERC agencies overlook the fact that even if you didn't lose money during those years, if you were in any way prevented from generating the full potential of revenue you could have during those years, you very likely qualify and are owed money. We know the guidelines in and out, so we know where your business was affected negatively, even if another agency doesn't. We have successfully processed many claims where the business was previously told they didn't qualify. Chapter 3. How long will ERC credit last? This particular tax credit has been available for a number of years now, but it conflicted with the PPP loans available at the same time. Most businesses took those, so they were not eligible for ERC. Due to the massive leftover budget for ERC, the program was revised a couple of years ago so businesses can qualify whether they received PPP loans or not. We are nearing the end of the program, however, and the funding qualifications change in 2024. Businesses who do not apply this year will receive significantly less back. The rest of the program has a hard shutdown in 2025. Chapter 4. ERC Credit 2023 Update. 2023 is the optimal time to file your claim. In the early stages of the program, the demand was overwhelming. There were not enough ERC agencies, accountants, or consultants to sufficiently oversee the volume of claims that were being filed. This created processing delays. As that void was filled and claim submissions and processing became more efficient, the IRS felt it next. They were severely understaffed for the sudden and massive backlog of qualified claims to be funded. This created funding delays of over 12 months in many cases. They have since staffed up and today funding times average 6 months, and in many cases even faster. Chapter 5. ERC Credit 2023 Deadline. Time is of the essence when it comes to the ERC credit. Missing the deadline could mean missing out on significant tax benefits and a lot of money that rightfully belongs to you. Businesses that miss the first deadline will lose as much as half the rebate they could have received, and all of it if the second deadline is missed, both of which are fast approaching. Conclusion. We hope this brief but important video has shed light on the ERC credit for 2023 and answered some of your questions about its availability, qualification criteria, duration, updates, and the all-important deadline. ERC is a rebate and not a loan, which means no repayment. Gifts like this don't come along but once in a lifetime, and the window to file for your full benefit is almost closed. Don't wait another minute. Applying is fast and easy, so do it today. Don't worry if you still don't understand every little detail. It's not your job to worry about that, it's ours. We will make sure you have everything you need to get the maximum rebate you're eligible for. Click the link in the description below to get started immediately.